Hi, Buff Study friends. It's Miss McCormick, your Creative Expressions teacher. Today, you are going to need your Creative Expressions supply packet that you picked up at school the last couple days. It has scissors in it, a piece of white tag board, and some strips of colorful paper. It is paper clipped together and says lesson for 10, 16, 20 on it. So that's how you know that you have the right materials. And we are going to be creating our own paper three-dimensional sculptures. I'm going to show you how to do this step by step and how I went about creating my own sculpture here. So you have your piece of white tag board. It's just a little bit thicker paper. And then you should have different strips of different colors of paper. We're gonna work with different types of lines and shapes. So what I would suggest doing is putting some pieces down. I did like a zigzag cut on the blue here. I made a half circle with the purple. And then I did just a freehand circle with the blue here. And then I did the idea of a dotted line here with cutting. You want to get some shapes and put them down before you start gluing the rest of it. So I'm gonna work with this green piece. I don't want to use the whole thing, so I'm gonna fold it and kind of, not fold it, but bend it over in half and just cut half of it. And I'm just gonna kind of cut just like a free form type shape. And then I'm going to cut the purple. And this one I'm gonna do more zigzagged. So then we have a zigzag. So what you want to do is you want to cut as many different types of things as you can. And you want to I used every color in here. So you want to try and remember to use every color if you can. So I might glue. You want to get a couple pieces going before you glue anything down. But I have an idea for what I want to do with this one. So I'm going to go ahead and glue this down. Then I'm thinking that this might be because it has the curved on this. So I'm going to line it up. I'm going to pull it back a little bit and glue it under here. And it makes it interesting to look at when it's all done because this has spikes on this side and this has curves. So then I might take these two, and your strips are going to be different sizes and shapes. So I may want to use more of the yellow. but I can cut it in half if I want it thinner. And then I might do I'm gonna do a line of the black. And I'm gonna glue it from one edge to the other. And then I'm going to turn the paper over and just snip it along the edge here. And then I'm going to then even cut the yellow paper down even more. Then what I'm going to do is you don't want to use a lot of your glue stick. You want to put enough that you can see the purple color because it'll dry clear. You don't want to glob it on. And when you're doing it, you don't want a whole ton of it out. You want to keep it lower. So that way you can save your glue stick. Otherwise it'll break if you put it too far out. So then it kind of almost looks like I have a road. And then I'm just free-forming, trying to get different shapes and things in here. Then I might do something where I put it on a diagonal like this. And I envision this like, this is the road, this might be a grassy area, this might be some sort of water. And then I'm gonna do I'm just turning it. So I have a curved shape, almost like a circle. And I'm going to put that down, but then I'm going to connect it to this area here. So you want enough glue, but you don't want to smear the glue. And that's like a little curve thing where, like, if you wanted to imagine that this was water and it's going from the water over to the grass. And then you might want to cut where it's curved and it's windy. And I might do something where it's here. I have it stand up like this, so it's curved. I might, let's see. I've not used pink at all. So I want to make sure that I get every color in there. Because we're going to make colorful, almost abstract type of line sculptures. So I might have this. I might glue this under this here. And then it might come out, like reach and kind of twist it. And then I can glue it so it goes under, almost like what looks like under the road here. So you want, the key to this is you want to use all the different colors. You want things glued down flat, and you want things that you can make more dimensional. And everything, it kind of goes throughout the paper. And I might just do one more thing. Here, where, because I want balance, so I want it all over. So I might just do this, and then I might just do a round green circle shape there, because I felt like that there was something missing there. And again, these are abstract, three-dimensional paper sculptures, and it can be whatever you want it to be. Let me know if you do it by sending me pictures on JoJo, so you will get extra JoJo points for doing this. Have fun!